Yan mga tol at mga be. Kita nyo ba yung mga nagsasoccer dun sa field? Nako, feeling ko kailangan natin i-level up yung game nila. Kailangan mas malaki, mas exciting! Something incredible is about to happen. Just as incredible as my Mentos Incredible Chew. It's chewy and it's got fun, fruity flavors. Rap! Rap! Hello? Yun! Yun. Enough with your regular soccer. Let's stop this. It's time to play bubble soccer.
What?
Bubble soccer! Ang plan ko, I'll just bump everyone. Ito na yung bola. Bola, bola. Tayo naman lang, ball. What a game! Incredible, right? Yeah! Create your own incredible moments with the new Mentos Incredible Chew. Soft chews with long-lasting taste. Incredible till the last chew.
Who says no to Mentos?